Add some flour to it. Add some flour to the bowl. And then add some cocoa powder. Put half a cup of sugar to your extended limit. Add a pinch amount of salt, followed by some baking powder, half tablespoon of baking powder. Add some baking soda, half tablespoon. Add half tablespoon of butter and half a cup of coffee, so you get the coffee flavor in your cake. Add some milk, which is approximately half a glass of milk. Crack 2 eggs and put it in the bowl, so it makes the cake softer when you eat it. Add a quarter cup of oil, so it helps baking the cake faster. Vanilla essence. I feel like it's up to your flavors. I tried putting half tablespoon of vanilla essence, and then I'm using the Hershey's chocolate syrup, which is very tasty. And then keep grinding everything so it dissolves perfectly. You can keep grinding it till a minute 60 seconds. That will be enough. Everything gets dissolved, so there won't be big chunks in the bowl. As you can see, everything got blended very nicely and smoothly. You can see some bubbles getting up in the bowl, which means everything got dissolved. Now all you have to do is take a bowl in where you wanna bake your cake, and then add some oil to it, followed by some cocoa powder. As you can see, the oil has got in. I'm adding some sugar so it doesn't get stick. The cake won't get stick into the pan. I mean, not a pan, it's a bowl or whatever it is. And then for the chocolatey flavor, I'm gonna add some cocoa powder to it, so it tastes amazing. I'm gonna mix it properly since the oil is beneath it. Now I'm going to put all the mixture into the bowl so I can put it in the oven. Nice. Now all you have to do is put it in the oven and wait till 20 minutes, 25 minutes. That is it. Before that, I'm making the chocolate ganache. This is my chocolate ganache, which is made by chocolate syrup and then here is my final product, the chocolate mud cake. Thank you everyone.